century-old garage was a bit of a mess when I moved in, and when I added my stuff, it didn't look any better. This old door is doing no good up in the rafters, so I'm gonna make a shelf out of it. Of course, this door's got 100 years worth of crud on top of it. And for some reason, they nailed it down. Yeah, it's a little filthy. Drag it outside and sweep it off. Yeah. Yeah, it's nothing fancy, but you get the idea. Get some stuff off the floor. Reuse the old door. It's really fitting with the real primitive nature of this garage anyway. So much character. The garage is still a mess, but making improvements. You can see I've added a couple hooks for a bike rack, shop light, the door shelf. Pegboard is always nice. I picked up this desk on somebody's curb. Makes a great little bench, a little storage. Future plans, I want to add another beam across where you see the shop light. I add one further toward the end so I can center that shop light on the engine of a car when I get the hood open. Another project I'm debating is putting in a wider garage door. I've got enough room to extend the 8-foot wide door to 10 feet. And just take it out on each side, take it out about a foot toward just to the beam there. Extend it to the vertical. Shouldn't be too tough. The most difficult portion would be cutting the cinder block, and they're filled, of course, filled with concrete. So I don't know if I'll need a concrete saw or if I can do that with a chisel. What do you guys think? I have no problem with the 8-foot wide door getting in and out, but I think it might be a little more convenient to have a 10-foot wide door. Otherwise, the door works fine. This may give you some idea what I'm dealing with when I pull into the garage. I'm used to it. No problem. But I got maybe 6 inches on each mirror